miles. So just keep an eye out. And of course, we're continuing to keep a very close eye out to what is happening in the tropics. Already thus far this season, the Gulf and East Coast, we have had 9 named storms that made landfall. That's tying a record that was set back in 1916. And of course, now we've got Delta already making that first landfall around Cancun. And there's going to be another landfall across the U.S., shattering a record over 100 years old. Now, if you take away the cloud cover, you just focus in on the winds, you actually can see the center of the storm as it made landfall. But as you guys know, it's not just, okay, there's the landfall and then you're finished. There's a lot of activity ahead of it as well as within it. The last time Cancun had a storm hit it head on, that was Wilma, and over 300,000 people were displaced. So our hearts and prayers definitely going to everyone in that area, and continue to pray for those along the Gulf Coast, because this storm, yes, decreased down to a Cat 2 as it made that first landfall, but it's going to get into some warmer waters like bath water, temperatures in the 80s. And looking to intensify back into a Category 3, followed by a Category 4, but looking to make landfall as a Cat 3 closer into New Orleans. All that moisture is going to wrap its way around, and we'll see some rain and some gusty winds in our own backyards. Here's a look at the forecasted radar model. It's indicating making that landfall tomorrow closer into New Orleans. Of course, this isn't the gospel, but it gives us a good indication of the location and the time, right around dinner. This is a broad system. It's not just the eye that makes that punch. Remember how we were discussing around Cancun? So we're going to have bands of cloud cover moving into our area by Friday evening. Then you'll notice those bands of rain taking place overnight, continuing Saturday as well as into Sunday. With any tropical system, you do have the potential for a few spin-up tornadoes. Not saying that to frighten you, but you need to know the potential is there. So make sure you download the Storm Shield app. We'll keep you informed throughout the entire event. Again, this will be taking place this weekend as we continue to